Hello friends, this is Abhijit from Tech2Date, and you can see this is my phone which I am reviewing. Is Oppo Neo 7 4G LTE version, and its main configuration is that it is black in color, and its main configuration, as we know, you can remove it. You can see that it is in 5-inch 8 megapixel camera in back and 5 megapixel camera at front, with a 2420 mAh battery and a size of 5-inch. It has a beautiful selfie camera and shining mirror surface with 5.1 Android operating system. In the box you would get one headset, one charger, one earphone, then one USB cable, one quick manual guide. And let's unbox. We have got this new cover, which we say is we have got this new cover, Neo. Now let's unbox it. It is having a great logo, and its box is very high and great. It's white. Unboxing it, we can see that you would get the set, which is called the handset. You can see this is great. You will see this is the handset. This is the handset with a 8 megapixel camera. It's a shiny surface. You can see a shiny surface with a speaker on back, front, and at the front it is 5 megapixel camera with some notifications. So there is also a notification sensor, which you would see later. Let's see what's in the box. You can see the manual guide, the bill, and it's earphones. You can see it's a good quality earphones. It's not having much bass, but it's good. Then we can see that it's the USB port, and this is a charger. After keeping aside these all things, let's review the headset. Let's keep it on, bring it on. The Oppo logo is emerging. It has 16 GB of inbuilt storage, and it's very great. Its display is looking very great. It's taking much time because it is rebooting at first. Let's skip it, and we will be back when it's on. Yeah, you can see it's on. So actually it is set up early, and you can see its display is very great. It's giving a wallpaper and giving a sign board. Let's lock it out. See, its brightness is very high, so let's dim the brightness a little bit. Its lock screen is very great. You can see the Bluetooth, everything is very great. It's having a brightness of all, and its LED display quality is very great. You can see it's having pre-installed apps like WhatsApp and all, and its camera is also very great. Let's check the camera. It's shining actually. It's not able to see. So after clicking it, let's see the you can see that the Oppo logo is looking very great. This camera is very great. You can see the Oppo logo is shining. So as we can see that its quality is very great, and it's having different type of specification. I would mention it on my comments, and we would see that it's also a great set for configuring it on the basis of playing games. So thank you. That's Abhijit watching from Tech2Date. Thank you.